welcome back to Lego Star. Today we are making Google working. Yeah, it works on code.org. So this is how to get code.org if you don't have it. So what you do is you go here, you search code.org, and then it says sign in. You want to sign in and sign in with your Google account. And then you press and then all you do is you press create an app lab. And it should take you to it. And then yeah. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to design it. So what we want to do is first go to the tab that says design. And also this works best on the computer, like a Chromebook, laptop, like anything like that. First, to make this easier, we're going to change this ID to Google Screen. Just make it easier. Doesn't really do anything. So we're going to want to put a image, drag it in, put it here, and then we're going to scroll down and do image. We're going to press choose. We're going to upload a file. I'm going to upload one. So what you need to do to upload one is go to Google. You search Google logo PNG. Press images. And then take the Wikipedia. That's it. And then you're going to want to right click it, press save image as, and just save it. I'll be back. So once you have done that, we're here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press upload file, and then we're going to select the file and press upload or something. There's a button that's like send or something, I don't know. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to come back. And now once you try doing that, it's going to say error uploading file. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So what you do is since you see this Google thing, it's in your file. I just got it here. You're going to right click it and you're going to press rename. And then you see how it says SVG. You'll leave everything except the SVG, and you're going to turn that to. And don't delete the dot. Keep the dot there. And you're going to do PNG. And press enter. And then it should work. And once you've done that, you're going to press choose. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add a text input in. So what you're going to do is add a text input in. You're going to stretch it out until it looks good. Okay, make sure your Google logo over here, this border is not going over this. Okay, so in the placer, what you're gonna do is press search Google or type a URL, and then once you have done that, you're gonna enter the button. And then the button, we're gonna customize it however you want. So I'm gonna do it. Do search, and then we're gonna put the font size a little down because of mine. If your font size is all fine, you don't need to do this part. It's just my font. Font is just the text size. If it's like a little too big, you can't see it, you can just lower this number down. And I'm just gonna, for my sake, I'm gonna put the border weight to 0. So I have my border now. And then the background color, I'm going to change it to black. Okay, but what you're gonna do is, if you're making the background color white too, you're gonna see it disappeared. No, it actually didn't. Because the text color is white too. So I'm gonna change it to black. So now what I'm going to do is to make it a little better, I'm going to put the border back. The border color is going to be all black for me. And what I'm going to do is press duplicate, which will duplicate it. And I'll take it to over here. Instead of text being searched, I'm going to do URL. And I'm just going to make this a little smaller for the place. And if you press run, look, we can see this, which all looks good, but it does nothing. See? Search. No, nothing. We need to code now. Yeah, nothing. So what we're going to do is take an on event, And we're gonna code the search. So for the search, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the ID of it. Let's just change the ID so it's a little easier. So this is text input 1. It's gonna be Google's underscore. If you can understand it easier, you don't need to skip this part. You can just skip this part. I'm gonna do Google type. Copy mine too. I'm gonna do this URL. I'm gonna do URL button. I'm gonna do URL. I'm gonna do search button. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change this to logo. Not logo. Okay. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we also need the email and Gmail, but we're gonna do that later. So on event, we're gonna take URL button for my example. And what this is saying is on the event we click on the URL button. And it's gonna do a function here, and this function is gonna be opening what we've searched. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do open URL, but we're not gonna put any URL in it right now. We're going to go to map. We're going to do plus, and now this part's really important. Okay, add two quotations inside of it. And then what we want to do is we're gonna we don't know the URL, so what we need to do is we need to get it. You can either go to Google and just take this part, but I have everything copied down. We're gonna do https://www.google.com/search, and then we're gonna do question mark. We're gonna do q equals. And now make sure this whole thing is in the first column instead of the second. Now for a second, we're going to get the text. So what it's going to do is it's going to search at google.com. It gets the text of this. And it's going to add it on there. Now we got it open and running. Now we can go to I did something wrong. What we need to actually do, we're gonna keep this here. We actually need to do this. This is all we need to do. We can just take this away. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, and we're just gonna take the rest of this out. Like this. Okay, but we're still gonna keep this here. And what we're gonna do is this time we're just gonna add a HTTPS. What is happening? HTTPS : and that's it. We're not going to do anything else. So we're going to do this. We're going to do www.google.com and save the URL, and it goes to google.com. And what else we can do is we can go to Clever. Clever.com. Clever. So yeah. But now we're going to make a search. So what we want to do is on events, we're going to take search button, and what we're going to do is we're going to do open, map, plus, we're going to do the same thing, colon. Make sure you have quotation marks, or else it's not going to work. And copy what I'm typing down. HTTPS. Now this is where we use this. Google.com/search ? Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to get text, And I is gonna be Google type. And now we got search. Hi. Hi. Search. And search hi. But if there's no URL called hi. So yeah, there's no URL. Hi. So that's why it just goes to about blank. See? Okay. And now we need to do some Google, Gmail, and yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to get the Gmail stuff. So we're gonna go up here and change this to Gmail. And we're gonna duplicate it. This to images. So once we've done that, we're just gonna take this a little bit like that. Okay. What you're gonna do is over here you're gonna go to Mail, Google, and once you've done that, you're gonna get the URL is gonna be up here. Just copy it, and then I'm gonna and once you copy it, I'm gonna be back. So let me just copy my. So once you've done that, we're gonna go on event, and then we're gonna go to email, which is button 3, and we're gonna make it open a URL, and we're just gonna paste it in. Then we're gonna do the same thing again. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna do button 4 this time because mine's button 4 and yours might not. Check your you can just check the ID by like taking your cursor over to like Google type, UR button, search button, button 1, button 3, logo, Google screen. So yeah. And then we're gonna do the same thing, open URL, but now we're gonna go to www.google.com. And I'm gonna use our Google app. And we're gonna press the images up here, and then it needs to do images. If it hasn't, press images again, and then we're gonna get the URL, copy, and you can just close the website. Okay, and then once you do that, you're just gonna paste it in here. Okay, and then once you've done that, we can start again. Let's try Gmail. Gmail works. And then now for images. Yeah, everything's working. Now we're just gonna do one more thing. Tell how the person using our app how everything works. So once you have gotten to a website to go back, you would need to press Control plus W. And we're done. Yeah. Now up here we're going to rename it to, I'm just going to do Google. Enter. And that's it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching now. Bye bye.